Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this quick video I'll show you how to turn data roaming off or on the Poco F7. I've been really enjoying using the Poco F7 so far, and as I work on my full-time review I'll be doing a few tutorials on how to do stuff. And one of the most frequently asked questions on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel is how to switch data roaming off or on. This is a way you can save money by limiting what networks your phone connects to when you're traveling abroad. So what I'm going to do now is go into the settings menu, go straight into mobile networks, and once you're in the mobile networks menu, you can see that you immediately have a data roaming option at front, middle of the screen. Tap on that and you'll see that it has settings for international roaming. Now currently it's set as always on this Poco F7. I'm going to switch data roaming off, so switch it to never, and that way it's simply done. That means that my phone will not connect to other networks when traveling for data. Now, similarly, if you want to switch data roaming on, you need to go into the settings menu, click on mobile networks, tap on data roaming, and when you have this international roaming option set to never, tap on that. You can click on always or for exceptions only. But for the simplicity of this video, I'm going to go with always. If you'd like to see a video on how to set exceptions for data roaming, please do let us know in the comments section below. But now I get a little warning. It says, attention, the carrier will charge you a fee after you turn on international data roaming. Turn on anyway? I'll say yes. So just bear in mind, this only applies to if you have national roaming, so if you're allowed to connect to local networks in the country you're based in, or when you're traveling abroad. If you stay on your home network, you won't be penalized or charged for that. Anyway, that was a quick tutorial on how to switch data roaming off or on the Poco F7. As usual, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if you like this video, please do drop us a like. Likewise, if you'd like to see more of our content, we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. Please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.